Hi everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here with a sneak peek of the first Kit Club project. This is using the Bobunny Zoology line. Initially the project was called Animal House and it totally took a different turn. So we're changing the name up on this album, my friends, and here it is. Let me show you the cover. Super natural and very earthy, guys. I try to keep it a little bit whimsy for just in case you want to add those zoo pictures, or if you want to make this an adult album, sort of kind of like on a wildlife excursion, or even for it will even work back to the zoo pictures with your kitties. So I really love the way that this turned out. It has a burlap closure. This is one of the charms that you will be receiving in your kit, my friends, and everything that you see here on the front cover. I cut this gate out with the ornamental iron cartridge, and that's the cover, my friends. And look at the charm on this piece. This leaf is totally gorgeous. Love it with this bar right here. Love the organic feel you get with the swirlies on the bar. Love that. And some really nice leaves that look very zoo-esque or safari-esque, if you will. And of course, titled Zoo. And when you open it up, I forgot to show you the little monkey charm that belongs on the front, but he's just monkeying around, of course, and he swings over to the back. And that's attached right here on the side, my friend. Love the monkey charm. Super cute. So it opens up like this. This mini album, and these tags are completely optional. You can do it with the leaves or without it. I like the leaves because it kind of reminds me of a zoo safari, very safari-like or zoo-like. So love that. That opens up like so. Nice pocket size, or nice pocket for a tag in there. This album is going to be, we're going to work on this album throughout several days, and we are also going to take this album in a whole different direction. Check out the charms there on the side, my friends. This is something different for you all. I loved putting these on the side. Usually putting them on the inside of your album creates a lot of bulk, so check that out on the side, how fun that looks. And I've done that throughout several other albums that I'm going to share with you very soon, my friends. So that goes tucked in here. So the concept behind this album is it's going to be called Build a Page. And the reason why it's going to be called Build a Page is because you're going to start off with a base page. And let me show you, I left some pages undecorated so you can see the base page. So you're going to start off with a base page, and your base page looks like so. Let me get this tag out here. So there's your base page with the pocket there and the pocket there. Super easy to make, and I'm going to walk you all through this. It's a hinge binding system, which is my favorite binding system because you can play with whatever shape you want. We're also going to play with a concept called the hidden hinge, and I will walk you all through that. It's going to be in the tutorial and during the class, my friends. So the build a page concept is going to come in when you either can keep your album with this simple page, or you build your page. You can add, and you're going to have 6 different add-ons, okay? For instance, you would have this add-on. That's all this is. It's an add-on to this page. So not too much complicated page building over here, all right? So here's a simple page, okay? And over here, I did a build a page, and I added this piece, all right? And this piece does this, and it flips up. So love that concept. I'm going to be using this throughout a couple of mini albums that I have up my sleeve. And I just wanted to give you a quick peek of the Zoology project for the Paper Phenomenon Kit Club. And this piece pulls out just like so. And that does this, swivels out for journaling. I have to tell you guys that I'm excited about the Kit Club, but this was very challenging for me. Typically, I make a kit and I make a project, and then I build my kit. This time I had to build the kit and then make my project. That was not easy for me to do. That was a task in itself. I did really cute touches right here, my friends, with some paper. Again, trying to keep the bulk down so you can add your pictures. But all in all, and again, another quick thing that I did differently here is that I didn't do the basic tag with the hole here and the strings and the jute rope sticking up. I put it on the side, and I love the way that falls to the side, and you don't have all this stuff sticking out. You can leave it for other things sticking out of your album and not necessarily jute or ribbon. So that's it, my friends. Again, these leaves, these are Cricut cuts. The Cricut cut here and the Cricut cut on the cover, but those are optional. I'm going to show you without the leaves. This is for a more kid-like album. You would put the leaves in, or if you want, you can leave them in, whatever you want. But I do love the way it looks. I love the way this project turned out. Super, super fun, and I hope you all like it. So this is the first kit for the Paper Phenomenon Kit Club, my friends. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think, and I will post the class schedule for this project very, very soon. Thank you so much, and until next time.